Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to understand the Flutter Hello World program line by line. This video is perfect for beginners who are just starting with Flutter. So let's get started. Now we will see the line by line explanation of the coding. So first line imports the material design package. This package gives us ready-made UI widgets like app bar, text button, and scaffold. Without this line, we cannot build a material design app. Then after, this is the main function. Every Flutter or Dart app starts executing from the main function. Then here runApp tells Flutter to run the application. MyApp is our main widget. The constant keyword is used to improve the performance. Then here we have closed the main function. Then after, this line creates a class called MyApp. It extends StatelessWidgets, which means the UI will not change dynamically. There are the two types of the stateless widgets, like stateful and stateless. This line indicates the constructor of the MyApp class. The key helps Flutter uniquely identify the widgets. Then this annotation tells Flutter that are overriding a method from the parent class. Then after, the build method describes how our UI looks. Flutter calls this method whenever it needs draw the screen. Then MaterialApp is the root widget of the application. It controls navigation, themes, and the home screen. Then scaffold provides basic structure of the screen like app bar, body, and floating buttons. Then the body is the main content area of the screen. The center widgets places content in the center of the screen. So then after, this text widgets is used to display the text on the screen, that is the hello world. Then after, this line changes the font size of the text on the screen. Then after, we close text widget over here, then center widget, then scaffold, then after material app widget. Then after, we close the build method, and finally we close the MyApp class over here. So now we will see the output of this program. So just go to the terminal, open the new terminal, go to the project folder, that is hello world, press enter button. So it navigates to the hello world, our hello world project. So now we will run our project, that is, so we need to run the command, that is the flutter run. So it gives options, so we will select the second option. So our output will be visible on Chrome browser. It will take little bit time. Okay, so okay, so this one is our first project, that is the hello world application.